Hello, good friends. This is my demonstration of Floop. Floop is the website I mentioned to you. Now, as you can see, this is the main page. This is what I see. You can see down here that I have current assignments and past assignments. Obviously, there's nothing current because this stuff is up to date. If I was to click Create New, I can create a new one. Like, let's say, another class test. Let's do the 14th. We're going to name it No Fun at All because it's not, because it's another test. And then they have to submit something that isn't fun at all whatsoever. And so I now will save it. And now I have a, hold on, I gotta read the date. All right, there we go. Oh, not save. There it is. Now I have No Fun at All, a new class test. My one class member, my wife, who is currently laughing off camera, she has been diligently not doing this assignment because I just created it. But if you look at the past assignment below it, you can see where I showed before. Here's the fun one. Here's the work view that she submitted. Here's, I'm going to go back up to submissions. You can see her name. You can actually kind of get an idea of versions. There's two over there. See when they were submitted. Click on them. You can see her latest submission. And let's say I wanted to click on HDL and tell her I don't like this at all. Why? I can now send this inappropriate message to her as a critique, and she has every right to respond to it. I can also drag and drop little dots around where those particular comments would be. So like that. I don't understand any of these things. So I'm just dragging them around and plopping them all over this assignment. Now, if we go back, well, I actually should be able to show you the student's view of this stuff. Apparently,
I don't think it's recording anymore. Oh, it is.
Yeah, it is recording.
Sorry.
It's okay, keep going, it's fine. You're just going to be in my video now. That was my wife, Prairie. She is lovingly supporting me in this endeavor. Let's go to, I want to go to student view. So let's go down to the student view. That's on my toolbar down here. That's what I wanted. Here we go. This is what the students would see. So they would actually be able to basically look at pretty much everything that I can see. It just has a little bit more pizzazz in the background. She has three things that I have commented that she can now see. The yellow ones are ones she has not read. Green ones she has read. She could comment back and say something here. She's typing, I need help. Apparently I need help. So another inappropriate message sent. That's okay. But it's different for every comment. I don't need to do one for everyone. As much as my wife would love to, that's not going to happen. Let's go back a step. There we go. We're going to go back one more step. She can actually click a thing to message the teacher directly, which is kind of a nice piece, so you don't have to go through those couple clicks. It's a little more streamlined if you want to message your messages. Like that. So that's kind of the gist of how this whole thing works. You can make your submissions. We can comment back and forth. Resubmissions are possible. And yeah, like that. I like it. Floop.